Visual programming is a method of programming where users create programs by manipulating elements graphically rather than by writing code textually. This approach leverages the intuitive nature of visual learning to make programming accessible, especially to beginners and younger learners. Visual programming environments use graphical symbols to represent different programming constructs like loops, conditions, and variables. By connecting these symbols in a logical sequence, users can build functioning programs without needing to understand the intricacies of text-based coding syntax. One of the most popular platforms for visual programming is Scratch, developed by the Lifelong Kindergarten Group at the MIT Media Lab. Scratch introduces users to programming concepts through a user-friendly interface and a drag-and-drop system. Here's how you can use Scratch to start learning programming visually. First, create a free account on the Scratch website to access the full range of features. Once logged in, you'll be directed to the Scratch editor, a vibrant workspace where all the magic happens. At the top right of the screen, you'll see a stage area where your program's output is displayed. Below the stage, there's a sprite list. Sprites are characters or objects that perform actions in your program. The middle section contains blocks categorized by types such as motion, looks, sound, events, control, sensing, and operators. Each block represents a specific command or action. To create a program, you drag blocks from this section and snap them together in a logical sequence on the scripts area, an empty space on the right where you build your code. For instance, you can start with an event block like when green flag clicked, followed by a motion block like move 10 steps, and perhaps a control block like repeat 10, which loops the actions enclosed within it. This way, even without prior coding knowledge, you can quickly see the connection between the blocks and the actions they represent. As you become more familiar with Scratch, you can start creating more complex projects such as interactive stories, animations, games, and simulations.